Hello everyone. I know that most of you have an issue with Microsoft Office 2019 when trying to insert a page number in a different language. For me it was in Arabic language. It usually stays as an English number, sorry. So I researched it for some time and discovered that there is an easy way actually to convert this to an Arabic number. First and foremost, you need to select the number after you insert it, switch it to a right to left text direction, then right click on it, click edit field, then click field codes, and after the word page here you need to add brackets and type AR for Arabic, the language you want to switch the page numbering to. After that, close the page footer edit mode, and the more you type or the more pages you add, the page numbering will appear in the correct manner with the language of your choice. I hope I was informative enough for you, and if you have any questions, please leave it in a comment and I'll try to respond to them as soon as possible. Thank you.